The original wooden balance bridge was built in 1904, but it was replaced by this iron concrete bridge in 1971 because the old bridge was too unsafe. The balance bridge is on the Woodville side of the Manawatu Gorge, and you have to cross over the bridge to get to the start of the Manawatu Gorge walk. Also over the bridge is the Bridge Cafe, where we brought our eldest granddaughter for a lunch treat once, a few years back, as she's now 17. This day, when we did the Manawatu Gorge walk with our daughter and her two girls, was in the days before I had a phone for videoing. So, as you can see how little Lacey was, she needed to be carried. A lot. She did so well though for the 11.2 kilometre walk. And the Meridian Energy owned Te Apiti wind farm is peppered across the Ruahine and Tararua ranges. The farm was built in 2003 and was the first wind farm in New Zealand to supply electricity to the national grid. Today, approximately 45,000 New Zealand homes benefit from these turbines, and each blade of the windmills measures 35 metres in length. Listening to the loud cicadas. It's so loud, isn't it? Gorgeous. Manawatu Gorge. Quieter here. It's not as loud. Hear the birds. The Wātonga steel structure stands 6 metres tall at the halfway point of the Manawatu Gorge walk. It depicts historical seafarer Chief Wātonga, who came to these shores in the 12th century. He was a captain on the Kurahupō waka, or canoe. The sculpture features intricate patterns that depict the sailing history of Wātonga, as well as the logos of the Gorge Project partners. Back in the days, before the Gorge Road closed in 2017 due to too many slips, just along from where the Wātonga sculpture is, there was access to another lookout, but it's now closed thanks to those slips. By the way, a new road is being built over the Ruahine ranges to provide a safe route between Woodville and Ashurst, and hopes to be completed in 2024. Now, that is the Manawatu River running through that gorge, and some information on the Manawatu River is in Māori. Manawatu River means heart standing still, and Māori legend says that a great totara tree on the slopes of the Puketoi mountain was possessed by a spirit, and the tree drove through the mountain barrier of Ruahine and Tararua, creating a gorge in the process and out to the sea. The Manawatu River is the only river in New Zealand that starts its journey in the Tararua district on one side of the main divide and finishes on the other side, near Foxton and out to the Tasman Sea. She's gone, she's off. What a beautiful track. She got it. She's pretending, I think. I knew you were there. No one could beat the one that Bobby got for those two girls. They jumped out of their skin. Whoa! George of the jungle. Oh, there's George.
She's curious.
Curious George. Woo! What a lovely walk. What a glorious day we're having. It didn't work, did it? Oh, fail. Keep it going. So pretty, so scenic.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
We've been coming to the Manawatu Gorge for its lovely bushwalks for years now, so just letting you know that there's footage of when the road and tracks were open and operational, and also how it is today, closed, with different access routes, like the track that used to go under the road once.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.